So we are all ready and heading off to Animal Kingdom. So we've got a lightning lane for flights of passage. So yeah, we have to take the bus to get there. So we're just walking down now to to get the bus. Yay! Yippee! Yippee! So just a quick shout out to these amazing buses. We love seeing how like they've just designed each and every one of them. Like, we like to see which ones we might get. So so far I think we might have had the Incredibles one. What else have we had?
We haven't had Incredibles, but we haven't been on it.
So far I think we've been on the 50th one, and then we've been on quite a lot of the traditional like non-decal buses, but yeah, like that one there that you can see. But yeah, it's a very cool touch to the 50th. Very cool. What time? So Animal closes at 8 and it's currently 7 o'clock. So we've got an hour until the park closes.
About 50
so
minutes.
Oh yeah, okay, 50 minutes. So we're just coming through now because we have a lightning lane and we want to do Expedition Everest as well. So yeah, let's do this. So we decided to take a different route today to Everest. Normally we go through Asia and then round, but we decided to cut through Dino Land USA, and it seems to be a lot quieter around here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite quiet. Turn this around. We don't know if it's going to cut any time, but we thought to get to Everest, it might be like a good way to get there, just because you just walk over the bridge and then you're there. But yeah, let's see how long it takes. I don't think it's going to take. Okay, I can see Everest already, so hopefully we're onto something. There it is, just there. Everest has been down for the past, I think, 3 days, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we get to ride it. There's the dinosaur, and then yeah, fingers are crossed.
Is it because the event being cancelled?
Yeah.
We think this might be our last time doing Everest on this trip. So Everest, shout out to you, girl. We love you. Thank you for being so good to us. We did it! We conquered Everest. I mean, we're about to conquer Everest. But again, the theming in here is so cool. Let's do this! It's our last time! Ready, please? I can't believe it's probably our last time doing it on this trip. It's so sad. Crying, guys.
Really good.
Yeah, it was so good. There it is. Bye, Everest. We love you.
Bye.
The cast members probably think we're waving at them like freaks. But okay, we have a lightning lane now for what was it, for Flights of Passage, so we have to head there quickly, and then yeah, in the park it'll probably be time for the park to close by the time we finish there. But oh, Animal Kingdom, we love you.
We do indeed.
It's such a good park. Can you hear the thunder? Hopefully it doesn't rain, but yeah, oh, it's been so good at Animal. We had to do it at night time. It was one of the things I did to swap around our like day to night, just so we could see it.
Hopefully you get to see it as well when we come off.
Yes. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully it'll be lit up. But I remember we came one year and Animal Kingdom actually stayed open till, was it like
11?
Yeah, 11 one year, and then we got to do Kilimanjaro safaris at night time, and it was one of the best experiences of my life when we had the lions and everything. It was so good. But yeah. Oh. Talking about theming, we've just spotted these bricks over here and it says India on it. That's so cool. Like, just the details here in this park are just so magical. But yeah, just small details in life, guys. We're just on our way to Pandora, but we had to stop for a Coke slushie, the millionth Coke slushie of this holiday. If you had seen in our other Animal Kingdom vlog, you would have seen that we went to both of these Caravan Road and Mr. Cummels, but they're currently closed. So that's something that we've noticed, is that these kind of small kiosk things, they only open at like really random times, and then they close early, so they're not open all day. So maybe check the app or ask a cast member, because yeah, they're not open all day. Yeah. There's our girl, the Tree of Life. Hey girl, looking good? So yeah, we're just walking through Africa now to get to Pandora, and then it'll be time for Flights of Passage. How's your millionth slushie of the holiday? Good? Refreshing?
It was very refreshing.
Nice. So this is Daddy Singh's place. He always comes here to play the drums. So this is for you, Daddy Singh. Nice. Nice. There you go, Mommy Sing. Yeah, girl. Nice, very good. That one's for you, Daddy Sing. Yeah. It's so funny because there's 20 minutes left until the park closes, and look at how empty Africa is. Normally during the day this place is rammed with people. It's so packed out, but it's literally empty. So good tip if you want to get onto the rides. Seems to be a good time to come to Animal Kingdom just before it closes. So this is what we were saying at night time about how the theming is so cool, because you hear all those noises. So amazing. Lightning lane, here we come. So just a quick thing, if you want to see that infamous avatar that's floating in the tube thing, you won't see it if you're in the lightning lane. You bypass all of that. So yeah, so just a quick thing, if that's what you're interested in, you will bypass all of that with the lightning lane. So if you want to see it, maybe the best option is just to queue. But yeah, so it's just turned 8 o'clock. The park has officially closed and we are waiting to get on Flights of Passage.
Just follow around the railing and fill the room. That's right. Please fill all the way in and stand on your assigned number.
So that was our last time doing it again. Oh no. Everyone's like, oh, it's super emotional. But that was the best time on this whole trip. that was the best time. It was so immersive. It was just so good. It was so good. And yeah, honestly, the best. I know.
I love this ride.
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah. Yeah, oh my god, see that car? So yeah, that was honestly the best. The water splashes on the face and everything, the seating, it was, yeah, the wind, it was just, it really felt like you were flying. It was so good.
You know what it made me want to do? I need to go to the gift shop and go and get the candle now.
Oh, you think you can smell it when we go home? Yeah. Nice. Oh, okay, so it's gone dark now, so this is going to be even more beautiful than when we came in. So, okay, let's have a look. Right, so it was beautiful, and then we just came out and it's pouring. So, it's Coronation Day!
So that's the candle?
Yep. Have a smell.
Mmm, yummy!
So I've had a bit of a change of outfit. Yay! Yay for ponchos. I think I was actually being quite smug, right? Because I was thinking to myself, we've been here for 3 weeks and I haven't used my poncho once for the rain. Yeah. So I think I jinxed myself. Okay, oops. Yeah, I think I jinxed myself, and now I'm here looking gorgeous with everybody else. Look how good they look in a poncho. Look at me. I look lovely. Yeah. So Mummy Singh wasn't lying. She's only gone and just purchased the Pandora candle, which is now going to sit in the Singh's household in the front room. Yeah, right? In the house.
Did it not smell just like...
It smelled just like Flights of Passage, so yeah, amazing. And it was $19.99, right? Yeah, it was 21 something with tax, so yeah. Sivako. This is just stunning. It's raining, but still, it's stunning. Yeah, no wait times. But wow, absolutely beautiful, amazing. We're gonna miss this. Yeah, you can kind of see the floor glowing. This looks so incredible. We're going to miss you so much, Pandora. I know it's dramatic, but genuinely we are gonna really miss this place. Wow.
How many times have you been on this ride?
I think 3 times.
You got 3 Pandoras?
3 Pandoras. Whoa! Look at the floor, it's all illuminated up. So we can also see the Mickeys illuminated through Kishan's poncho of the bag. How cool is that? This light is something else. Smile. Let's see what we all look like. Oh my gosh, I look scary. Mommy, come here. So we've just seen this fan and I cannot believe we haven't seen this our whole trip. We've got 3 days left and we've just seen it now. It's only $12.99. That is coming home with us. Yes. Another purchase has been made. And now we are exiting, well, about to exit Animal Kingdom. Oh my god. Look at that. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Bye Animal Kingdom, see you soon. Bye. Good night. Bye. Animal Kingdom. Bye.
Bye, Animal Kingdom.
Kishan, come and say bye.
We love you.
We love you. Bye. Sivako.
Oh, Jumbo. Oh, Jumbo means hello.
Let's go for
Jumbo, Mazuli Sana.
Sivako.
Sivako.
Satta sana, squash banana.
That's the one.
Last time will be bus stop number 28. Just over here. So I know no one cares. These are the really old school Disney buses with their double seats. Of course, they're super nostalgic to us. Love it! A great way to end our last time at Animal Kingdom on this trip. Yay! So we have made it back to Pop Century. We're going up to our room now. So I think that we're going to end the vlog here. So yeah, had a good night, guys. Oh yeah, our friend in here. Mothy moth. But yeah, it's been a great day, right guys?
It's been an awesome day.
Yeah.
Let me back.
Very nice. You're going to use it in Tesco's?
Yeah.
When we go Tesco shopping. Cool.
Just gonna say hello.
Right. Okay.
Righty ho.
Au revoir.
What?
Au revoir.
It was on your mouth.
Au revoir.
No,
Au revoir.
no, he's not doing au revoir. Wait.
It's a Mothman. Bye. Au revoir.
Good night.
Good night. Bye for now. Ta-ta. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below, and I guess we'll see you real soon. Bye.